subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.
Perfect. Perfect.
What up, YouTube? Don't back with another video. So we're waking up early today to go eat breakfast at the Bulls Club. It's our Mando today, but since it's also the Super Bowl, we decided to do the Mando a little bit early. We usually do it around 7 in the afternoon, but we decided to go do it early today and have breakfast with everybody. So we're heading out. Gonna meet up with everybody. Go have some breakfast. Alright, what else, YouTube? I'm gonna be fixing these bolts right here. I got these for free. Pretty much they were free because they were testing these out for the first time. So they wanted to see how they worked or how they mounted up. And for the most part, it works fine. But over time, from opening and closing it, the bracket got loose because of the screws. The screws are just self tappers, and they worked fine for the bottom, but for the top, they started to come out. And if I angle this right, they just come out like nothing. So what I want to do is replace them with some new hardware. So I'm just gonna be using this random log that I found to hold up the hood, because once I take these struts off, there'll be nothing holding up the hood. Alright guys, so I think I did a little bit something different, but it worked. So what I did was I took these off and I go up here and I bolted it onto the stock bracket of the hood. Move the bracket, this one, closer. It was back here before, as you can tell. Kind of tested it out a couple times. Found that was the best position. Did the same thing on this side. And guess what? The hood opens up way more than before. You know how before I was saying that it doesn't open up all the way, but it's fine? Well, now it looks like OEM, like if that's how much it needs to open. And it closes still and holds up still the same. So the only difference I notice is that when I open it, it is kind of heavy. But you know, Who needs to open the hood with one hand when you get more room to work under your hood, right? So it gets heavy until right about here, and then pretty much opens up. But I mean, I'd rather have more room inside the hood than have me only have to open the hood with one hand, you know what I mean? I think I'm happy with that and how that turned out. I also did find 2 more stickers that I'm about to add to my engine cover. Let's do that real quick. Definitely way happier that the hood now opens up way more. I mean, it wasn't a problem that it wasn't opening up all the way, but there was certain times where, like, me needing to get inside to check the dipstick for the oil, the hood would just hit me in the head because it wasn't opening up all the way. And now, wow, look at all that room. I might insert some before and after pictures so you guys can tell the difference of how much more it opens up. But yeah, I love it. So now what I'm gonna do next is I bought these wire wheels because where I have my system connected, the ground wire bolted into the floor, but there's still paint on the area where the ground is. And you know, they say it's always better to remove the paint and just have bare metal for the ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is the ground right here. That looks way better. I did get a new nut and screw. Putting that one in. Just so it looks cleaner. There we go. Got the ground underneath. Alright guys, well I think that's it for today. Got a couple things done. Definitely happy about the hood part. Next week I'm gonna be working on putting a sheet of metal in there. And in there just to cover up those holes, kind of like what we did here on both sides. I already have the sheet right there. Just gotta measure everything and cut it up and screw it all together. Well, that'll probably be their next project. But yeah guys, thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to turn on your bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, deuces.